Look at this right here.
Well, just doing a little install. And there's a 2500.1, 650.4, two L715s, Alpine Type R component set, Alpine DVD player, it's going in the Avalanche. The reason why I want to make this video is this box was done at a car audio shop.
Tires are flat.
It don't even have screws or staples or brads holding the top plate on. It has screws down the sides. Gaps everywhere. Little bitty short port, so this box is probably tuned. I have no idea. Tuned pretty high, I'd say. Gaps everywhere.
Look at this right here. Screws come out the side of the port.
Whoever built this box needs to be slapped if they expected it to last. Oh, and this is how I'm going to do the component sets. I'll put the tweeter right here. Put that there, and then the cover goes over it. And of course the 6.5 is going to go there. Just like that. But yeah, that's what I got going on. Say hi, Jacob.
Hello.
Balls.